This is Lenovo X1 Carbon 6th generation. It was working fine. There was no any indication of battery failure. But from this morning, when I connect the charger, it turns on, but it shows cross mark on the back. But there was no any sort of indication even yesterday, even before. It never gives any problem. So today in this video, we'll replace the battery. Also, we'll check if this is the battery issue or the charging eye. Okay, both could happen. So let's check it out. Normally, when the phone battery got issue, it shows directly, like gradually goes down from, let's say, from 100% to 90%, then whatever gradually goes down. But for laptops, sometimes it doesn't happen like that. You might think something else, but that could be the battery. So change it. So first of all, I got the replacement battery for around 50 to 60 pounds from Amazon with 1 year warranty. So this is pretty simple. We can do this job less than 10 minutes. Let's get into it, do it. So we need a couple of things. Phillips screwdriver. I always like iFixit. I used to think it's super expensive. It is. It's really good to have one of them, so it can cover up any repairs, include your desktop, laptop, mobile phone, tablet, almost anything, everything, okay? Especially if you are a technician. We need two tools. One flat opening tool, plastic is preferred, not metal one, and then Phillips one. First thing, switch it off, get the right replacement. We need to take out those screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, those screws not going to come out all the way. It's going to attach in there because there is a little rabbit behind. Okay, it's a kind of locker, so you don't lose the screws. And then we'll take out the battery, put the new one back. All right, so we're going to plug in the charger to check what happened. So when you plug it in, it's type C anyway, X1 Carbon 6M, and straight down. It doesn't indicate anything even it's plugged in. So when I press the power button, it turns on. I can see the light and everything. So it shows the battery is circled, crossed, as you can see the cross mark. Okay. Now we're going to switch it off and replace the battery. All right, so the back cover already removed. Now we need to pull this battery. Before we pull this off, we need to take out some screws. And once we've taken out the screws, we're not gonna touch on the motherboard now, because this is very important to disconnect the battery first before you touch any other component, especially the main board. So there is some sort of clips. It's not kind of a flex cable, and I can see the battery module exactly same thing. So just put it like that, and that's how simple it is. It's connected properly. Now we're going to turn this on and check if it solves the battery cross mark, plus if it shows any sort of charging indication. Let's press the power button, check. Seems it's turned on, but before it was not. The battery was completely dead. So this indicates the current battery, the new one, is working fine. Just to make sure, we're going to check to the battery icon. And I can see the battery icon is absolutely fine. It shows there is kind of 30 to 40% still available. And if you connect the charger, it shows it's charging. At the same time, if you look at the indicator, it shows there is a light. Okay, this light was not lightened before. It was completely dead, so this one indicates it solved the battery problem. So if you do have any laptop and if suddenly it shows like that, that might be the battery. As I said, the laptop battery doesn't shows any sort of warning sign. Okay, sometimes it does with HP, but with Lenovo and stuff, it's quite difficult to identify. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.